Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use iPhone as bedside clock. Turning your iPhone into a bedside clock is a simple way to check the time at night without reaching for another device. Modern iPhones include features like standby mode, charging displays, and customizable clock views that work perfectly on a nightstand. With the right setup, your iPhone can function like a stylish digital bedside clock while charging overnight. To begin, place your iPhone on a bedside table or a charging stand. Then connect your iPhone to a charger or MagSafe dock. And make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Now open your Settings app, scroll down and tap Standby, then turn on the Standby feature. Lock your iPhone screen after enabling Standby. Rotate your iPhone into landscape horizontal position, then leave the iPhone charging while it is sideways. Then wait a few seconds for the bedside clock display to appear automatically. Then swipe left or right to choose different clock styles and widgets. Then press and hold the screen to customize colors and display options. Dim the room lights so the clock display becomes less bright at night. And tap the screen or gently move the phone anytime you want to wake the bedside clock display. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.